welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time I have some goodies from MelodySusie. So the first thing I have here is the Twilight Forest Gel Polish Collection. The box looks like this, and it comes with 24 gel polishes, and they also threw in an additional 4, which is 2 base coats, a top coat, and a matte top coat for only $39.99. And then of course I do have a promo code, so I'll be sure to leave that down below in the description. But I am going to be swatching some of these. I mean, it's 24 and we don't want to see all 24, but I will be sure to show you a picture of all of the colors that it include. And not only do they just have this collection, they have a whole bunch of different collections. This is just the one that I like the most because it comes with a lot of, like, even though we're going into the spring, well, we are in spring, but we're going into the summer, this is like a fallish collection. But like I said, they do have a whole bunch of different ones. I'm pretty sure they have one that's more like summer tones, but I can't wait to show you guys what colors it comes with. And then I also have the MelodySusie Sparkle Pro Rechargeable Nail Drill. Now, right now, for a while now, I've been using the MelodySusie Scarlet Nail Drill. I've been using this one since literally June of 2019, and I use it every day, and I have not had any issues with it at all. That's why I always recommend this one to you guys. But I know, like, whenever it comes to looking for a nail drill, it just kind of depends on what you're looking for. Like, do you want something that you can just sit on top of your table like this, like I do, or, you know, like, are you doing classes and you need to be able to walk around and still use your drill? So this one would most likely be better for in a situation like that, if you're doing a nail class, or if you just don't want a nail drill sitting on top of your table. This one, I believe, comes with a little clip where you can clip it onto your, like, pants or your belt, and you can walk around. You know, if you're doing a class, you can walk around with it and do your little demonstration. Or, you know, even with me standing, I feel like it would be great for me just because I can just clip it right onto my little belt loop, and then I'm able to work, just because my table now is not as big and I just don't like clutter and stuff. So I think this would definitely come in handy for me. But again, this is the Sparkle Pro Rechargeable Nail Drill, so I am going to be trying both of them. So I'm going to go ahead and get right into it. And again, I do have a promo code for them, so I'll be sure to leave the link down below. Alrighty, so we're gonna start off with the Twilight Forest collection. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Ooh, so this is what we have here. So as I mentioned earlier, it's giving like really fall vibes, and that's really why I picked it, because I've been really in love with green lately, and I feel like it came with a good variety of greens. We also have a good variety of like burnt oranges and some nudes, so it definitely comes with, you know, some really good colors that I really like. So this is what the bottles look like. So they are fairly small. They're only 0.17 fluid ounce. So I would definitely recommend these for if you're a beginner and you're just looking to, you know, maybe polish your own nails or just, you know, practice. These would definitely not be bad at all. So it's 24 and then plus your other 4. And let's see. So yeah, so it comes with your base coat. It comes with another base coat. We also have the top coat, and then we have the matte top coat. So it definitely comes with everything that you need as far as, you know, if you're gonna apply polish on or gel polish on your natural nails. So I'm gonna just pick a few random ones to swatch, and then to cure them, I already had this one, and I've been using it since I started back doing nails here recently in June, and I have not had any problems with it, and I absolutely love it because this is the rechargeable nail light. I'm not really exactly sure like the exact name for it, but it's just a rechargeable UV lamp by MelodySusie, and I really like it because since I like switched up my setup and I have a taller table now, I hate having a whole bunch of cords all over the place, and I only do 2 clients a day, and you know, I don't have any problems with it going dead or anything. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and start swatching a few. Let's see, I for sure, this one is just like screaming at me. So this one is number 225. This one definitely screaming my name too. We have 1203. This brown looks really pretty. This is G324. Oh, this one is 1310. I probably do like, let's see, it looks like we have a glittery one, so I want to try that one out. That is G144. And maybe a brown, so let's do, or like a nudish color. This one is 138. 1 2 3 4 5 6. I think that should be enough, and then if I change my mind, then we'll just pick up a few more. So alrighty, so I'm gonna get started, and I'm gonna start off with number 225. Oh, y'all. Oh, this is so pretty. Alrighty, so this is the first one, which again is 225. It definitely went on really good. I absolutely love the colors. This is giving me very much Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. The next one is 1203. Oh, so this is definitely a lot different. For some reason I was thinking it was green, but it's definitely like a grayish color. Oh, this is so pretty. And the coverage on this one, y'all, is flawless. Alrighty, so that is number 1203. Super pretty. And then again, this collection is only $34.99, and I do have a promo code, so I'll leave all of that information down below. Oh, this one's pretty. I thought it was going to be like a solid brown, but it has some shimmer to it. But it's super pretty. And then this one is a little bit more translucent. So again, that is $63.24. Oh, and then depending on how the light hits it, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it has like a gold shimmer, and it's really pretty. Next, I have number 1310. Y'all, this one right here is absolutely beautiful. So that one is 1310. Alrighty, next we have number G144. So this one is just like some silver glitter. And it's like the chunkier pieces. Well, like it's like some small ones and then some bigger ones in there as well. But the base color of it is just clear. Alrighty, so that is G144. So clear base and then just like some, I thought it was silver, but it's more like a goldish champagne color. And then lastly, I'm going to be doing number 138. That is 138. Alrighty, so for my top coat, I do want to try out the regular top coat as well as the matte top coat. So I'm just going to do the matte one on maybe the orange one. And then I'm going to do this gray. It's really like a grayish, greenish color. This one is really pretty. And then on the rest, I'm just going to do the regular top coat. Alrighty, so that is what they look like after the top coat. So now I'm going to go ahead and just cure these for 60 seconds. Alrighty, y'all, so this is what they look like after the top coat. So y'all, I am absolutely in love with that matte top coat. Like, look how good that color look. I mean, both of them, they almost look almost like velvety. Like, that's just how matte they are. So I'm absolutely in love. The colors went on really good. I just love that it comes with a good variety of colors, and you get, what is that, 28 colors or 24 colors plus your top coat, base coat, all that good stuff for only $34.99, and that's not even including my promo code. So be sure to go check them out. And then up next, I'm gonna be trying out the drill, so stay tuned for that. I'm just gonna go ahead and put these babies up. Alrighty, so up next I have the Sparkle Pro Rechargeable Nail Drill. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. And then we have a little card about a gift. And I know MelodySusie is really good about giving out little gifts whenever you place an order. So that's really nice of them. And then, of course, we have a little manual. Now, this drill is the 35,000 RPMs, and then in here it just tells you exactly, you know, how to use it, what features it has. So far, based on the little graph, I can tell that, of course, you know, it has the little speed little dial. It also has the forward and reverse, and then it has the little plug-in for the handpiece. It does have a little display screen, so I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys the real deal. So this is what the motor looks like. So same as the little graph, it has the little forward and reverse. You just click it on and off. I always use mine on forward. I've never used my e-file on reverse. I know there's people out there that do. And then right here, it just has a little knob where you can adjust the speed. And then if you like turn it all the way to the left, it turns off, and you can hear it actually clicking whenever it's on or off. So yeah, you just turn that all the way to the right if you want it on the full speed. As you can see, it comes with a little clip, so you can clip it onto your belt. And okay, so it's on, and it came with 68% battery, as you guys can see. And then at the top, it does tell you the RPMs, and basically the RPMs is just the number of times that the drill rotates per minute. So I don't even want to take that off, y'all, because I don't even want to like scratch it up or anything. That's how pretty it is. But yeah, and then right there, so it also tells you if it's on forward or reverse, I believe. Yep. So if I put it on forward, it says F, and then if I put it on reverse, it'll just show an R on there. So let's see what else is in here. And then we also have two other little boxes in here. It even comes with drill bits. What, y'all? So it comes with some little drill bits. We have a torch cylinder medium grit drill bit, and then we have a barrel ball medium drill bit, and this one is like the safety one since it's rounded at the tip. So that's awesome. And then we have a little stand for like your handpiece. It comes with, I think this goes on the side of your drill somewhere. Okay, right here. So it goes on the side of your drill just like this, and you put your little handpiece in there, and I'll show you in just a second. It also comes with these little drill bits right here. And then of course it comes with a little power cord. So I'm gonna go ahead and just plug this in. Well, actually, no, you know what? It has battery. I don't even know why I'm plugging it in. So it already has battery, so I'm just going to use it how it is. And then in this other little box, it comes with the handpiece. Alrighty, so this is the little handpiece that it comes with. It definitely has a little weight to it, but nothing unbearable. It says MelodySusie, and then it shows you when it's unlocked or locked. That way your little drill bit does not fall out. So of course, to switch it in and out, you just unlock it, and then once it's in place, you lock it back up. And then also I did notice that this handpiece that comes with the rechargeable nail drill is a little bit slimmer than the one that comes with the with the Scarlet one. And there's the difference, but they're both metal, so I feel like they're just like so heavy duty and just really good quality, and they don't feel cheap at all. Like, they do not feel cheap at all, I can tell you that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put this little drill bit in there. Oh, it's locked. See, so you gotta unlock it, pop that baby right in, and then lock it back up. So I'm gonna go ahead and just plug this in. That's what the little plug-in looks like. You just match it up. Ooh. Oh, sorry, I already had it on, y'all. I totally missed that. So I have it on 13 RPMs, 13,000. So see, it goes all the way up to 35,000. And usually you guys know that whenever I remove the shine from the natural nail, I use it at 5,000 RPMs, which would be this speed right here. And then whenever I remove like glitter or like colored acrylic or just trying to file down the acrylic, I use it at like 10,000 and like, well, between 10,000 and 15,000 RPMs. But of course you just adjust it to whatever speed you feel comfortable using it at. But y'all, this thing is not loud at all. That's how loud it is. Like, you could barely even hear anything. And I'm gonna quickly turn on, let me turn this off. I'm gonna quickly just show you this one, which is the Scarlet one. I feel like this one's louder. Yeah, so this one is definitely a lot louder. And right now I have it on like 10,000 RPMs, and then that's 5,000 RPMs. So it's definitely a lot louder than the Sparkle Pro drill. I'm gonna let y'all hear it again. So that's 5,000 right there, 5,000 RPMs, super quiet, and then 10,000 RPMs, 15, and then this is 35,000. So I definitely cannot wait to use it. Like I said, I feel like it's gonna come in handy because I can just clip it right onto my little belt loop or to my jeans, and or even like in my little pocket, y'all. Or if I could even just like put it in my pocket in like my smock and just work like that, you know, when I'm doing clients that way. Because I know like the other drill, like the one that I'm using right now, the way it's setting up on my table, like the little cord gets hooked on like the end of the table, and I have to like always be like messing with the cord. And then even this cord right here is longer than the one that comes with the Scarlet drill. So as I mentioned, it really just comes down to like, you know, what are you looking for in a drill? Do you want something that you can recharge? Do you want something that you can just sit on your table? Like, it really just comes down to what you need. But all of the drills that I've tried from MelodySusie have worked really good, and I have not had any issues with them whatsoever. But yeah, so this one definitely is really pretty. I mean, it's just all black, but it just looks so like professional and so clean. Like, I promise you, I don't even want to take the little paper off because I don't want to scratch it. But I cannot wait to use it. I will be using it in some of my videos. That way I can give you guys more of like, well, like a better review as far as like, you know, does it have enough power, which it should, because it's a 35,000 RPMs. But yeah, I'm super excited about this one. Again, that is the Sparkle Pro Rechargeable Nail Drill. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, be sure to go check them out, and I'll be sure to leave my information down below. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at GetNail32, and I will see you guys next time.